Good evening, y'all. I'm Junyi Shi, also known as Jack, under mentorship of Jeff Yoder. Tonight, I'm gonna delve into the goal scoring projections for Erling Haaland, a Bayesian analysis of Premier League success in the 2023 and 2024 season. It's a journey through the numbers to uncover the story of a rising star. First, a short introduction. In the vibrant realm of world soccer, Erling Haaland emerges as a striking phenomenon, stirring heated debates among fans and experts alike. This Norwegian powerhouse, heroed for his remarkable goal-scoring prowess, has captivated the global stage, drawing comparisons with legends like Lionel Messi. Despite Messi's storied career and recent World Cup victory, Haaland's goal scoring rate eclipses that of many peers, including Messi's performance in the same time frame. This study embarks on unraveling Haaland's potential to transcend the 40 goal threshold in the competitive Premier League. Propelled by his hunger and unmatched scoring pace, as Haaland's journey unfolds, our research seeks to quantify his ability to redefine the benchmarks of striking excellence in football. Here is a research overview. Our research ain't just a simple question. It's a deep dive into whether Erling Haaland can outdo himself by scoring more than 40 goals in the upcoming season. By employing Bayesian data analysis and looking at his performance indicators, we're painting a picture of what the future might hold for this remarkable athlete. And why Haaland and why 40 goals? I chose Erling Haaland for many study because he's already broken the Premier League record for the most goals in a single season, hitting 34, a record by Andy Cole. Last season, Haaland scored 36 goals across 37 games, showing not just his skill but his potential to push boundaries further. With this impression, this track record, aiming for 40 goals seems like natural next step. Well, it's an ambitious target, but given Haaland's progress and ability to make history, it's a goal that could well be which is within his reach, marking a new milestone in soccer. And my methodology. Our methodology intertwines Bayesian data analysis with linear and Poisson regression to navigate the intricate dynamics of Erling Haaland's goal scoring potential. Utilizing data from esteemed sources like FBrEF and the Premier League, we delve into the statistical realm where Bayesian principles guide our exploration. This approach hangs on two foundational ideas: reallocating credibility across possibilities and the mathematical modeling of these possibilities through parameter values. Bayesian inference excels in integrating prior knowledge with emerging data, offering a nuanced understanding of Haaland's relationship with goal scoring variables by establishing prior distributions based on historical insights. We craft a scaffold for our predictive model, like likelihood distribution that acts as a bridge, connecting observed data with theoretical models, culminating in a refined perspective through Bayes' theorem. This comprehensive strategy, bolstered by Bayesian regressions, adaptiveness at managing complex multi-parameter models, illuminates the significance and the certainty of Haaland's goal scoring capabilities, providing a robust framework for our predictive analysis. Then it's the variables explained. In dissecting Erling Haaland scoring mechanics, we scrutinize variables that capitalize his on-field dynamics. Shots and shots on target spotlight his aggression and precision, painting a picture of a striker tirelessly breaching defenses. Touches and shot creating actions unfold Haaland's strategic essence, revealing his integral role in Manchester City's offensive orchestration. Meanwhile, carries and attacks highlight his physical prowess and strategic positioning, essential for puncturing the opposition defense. Success numbers crystallize his efficiency, measuring the fruition of his endeavors. This analytical tapestry, woven from diverse yet interconnected variables, undergoes rigorous examination through Bayesian methodology and distribution models, ensuring a nuisance predict of Haaland's goal-scoring journey by leveraging Poisson and normal distributions. Our study embarks on a statistical odyssey, employing R for simulation to meticulously forecast Haaland's potential, underscoring the symbiotic relationship between variable analytic and predictive accuracy. And then here is the results. Uh, uh, Now for the meat of our presentation. Our simulations run 10,000 times gave us a clear view of Haaland's potential, with a peak probability of 55.21% for surpassing 35 goals in a full season. The numbers speak volumes. We've got diagrams and charts and show in no uncertain terms the exact probabilities, median, mean values, and even a standard deviation of his goal scoring chances. It's a treasure trove of insights. And here is the charts, and we can see all the histograms here. And then this is also the charts for mean value, standard deviation, and all these data. And if you're interested in it, you can just check them out. And discussion and conclusions. This investigation unfurls Erling Haaland's scoring potential within the Premier League's fierce battleground, employing a Bayesian lens enriched with log odds models and prior distributions. As Haaland's playtime ascends, so does the likelihood of surpassing the 35 or 40 goal zenith, a testament to his unmatched prowess. A Bayesian methodology pivotal in melding prior convictions with empirical data involves our understanding, rendering a model that refines its accuracy with each new datum. This exploration, underpinned by Monte Carlo simulations, not only cements Haaland's goal scoring potential, but also champions the Bayesian approach in dissecting soccer analytics. The research illuminates the intricate dance between playtime and scoring efficiency, offering profound insights into the nonlinear progression of Haaland's capabilities. Moreover, the study's findings contribute significantly to the analytical discourse, advocating for the integration of advanced statistical methodologies in comprehending and forecasting players' performance. In this sense, this research not only quantifies the marvel, Haaland, but also underscores the transformative power of Bayesian analysis in navigating the complexities of soccer analytics, heralding a new era of data-driven insights in sports. And the acknowledgement and the future directions. This odyssey into Erling Haaland's goal-scoring saga, while illuminating also unveils path of future inquiry, and beckons us to probe deeper into the effects of physical fitness, injuries, and team dynamics on sustained performance. Such exploration could unravel the nuisance fabric of Haaland's career trajectory and its susceptibility to external variables. Heartfelt gratitude extend to Manager Jeff Yoder, yet the quest for knowledge persists, urging us to delve beyond current findings, enhancing the depth and breadth of sports analytics. This study, a confluence of dedication and curiosity, sets the stage for further advancement. Okay, and here is some my resource, and my mainly resources are from FBREF and Premier League and Financial Tax on Bayesian data analysis. Here are all the sources, and if you're interested in, you can just simply check them out. Okay, I think this is my research, and thank you, buddy. Good night.